Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial. My name is Juan. Today, installation and configuration of DNS on CentOS 7.
Hello, my name is Kevin Daniel Alzate Gomez.
We are going to configure the DNS, but first, the introduction. The DNS it's a protocol where you can convert an IP direction into domain name. It's for the website be more easy to remember because it's on hard remember an IP direction. You will need a server with CentOS or Windows installed with at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 TB of hard disk. But if your company is bigger, you will need more capacity of each one.
First, we had to configure an IP direction. In this case, it's going to be static, that the IP direction no change never. Later you have installed the package bins with the commands. You install bins and build utils. That's while. Then we go to the network interface and you have to add the DNS and the domains. The domains can be that you want and add this in the server. The DNS is equal to the IP server. Later you have to reset the network interface, enable and start naming with the next commands. Then we go to add the firewall port, that is the 53 with TCP. The command for it is firewall -cnd permanence -son igual public -add -port igual 53/TCP.
Second, edit binary configuration file located in etc Named.conf. You can use the favorite editor. Locate the line listed on port 53 and allow carry. Modify the line listed on port. You must add the IP of the server followed by the IP of existent. Change in allow carry line the local host for any. Add the following lines under allow carry line. Forward first. This is for your carry IP by the first one. Forwarders. These are the truths right to resolve domains that are not configured on your server. Go down to the end of the file and locate of some lines. Copy all the some lines and paste them below this line. In the first zone, place your domain. Change the height by master and change the name of the configuration file. I can by the on your one. In the second zone, place the suffix of your IP on the back followed by in dash addr dot arpa. Also, change the height by master as in the previous zone, such as the name of the configuration file. Save the file and continue. Third, go to the named directory. Look at the files with the command ll. Copy the file named.empty uc errorsync -abp. Copy those what the name you had put in the sans, using the ll command again to see if they were created correctly. 4. Configure the first file that you copied. Change the domain example by its fqdn. Delete the last 2 lines of the next line. Change the add for at fqdn. We will add the following line. Place add followed by capital A and terminal by placing your IP. Save and continue with the other file.
Configure the second file that you copied. Do the same as in the previous file, except the last 2 lines. In this we will add the following: 116 ptr GPS CXA DAP search. Put your last IP byte, followed by ptr, and it ends up by placing the domains that you placed in the direct file. Save the file and continues. Later, you must start and enable the service with the following commands: systemctl start named and systemctl enable named. And we can look up the status with this command: systemctl status named. And you must do the DNS test with the follow command: nslookup gpacxa dap search. You have to replace the domain with the domain that you configured before.